So the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, yeah, it's leaking all over the internet right now, and everyone's wondering if it can actually outdo the Pocket 3. Because let's be real, the Pocket 3 already nailed the whole professional camera that somehow fits in your jeans pocket thing. Creators love it, travelers swear by it, and honestly, it's kind of tough to top. Oh, and quick thing, before we dive deeper, tap that subscribe button. Think of it like hitting record on this channel. One click and you won't miss what's coming next. Now, while DJI is working on this Pocket 4, GoPro is also trying to sneak into the same space. Yep, even GoPro wants a piece of the pocket-sized camera action. We've actually got a full video on that. You can check it out right after this one. Alright, back to the Pocket 4. A prototype surfaced online, credits to Igor Bogdanov for catching it, and the first thing that jumps out, a dual camera setup. That's a big deal because every Pocket before this had just a single lens. Suddenly, we're looking at way more flexibility for creators. From the leaked photos, the right lens looks like the main wide angle, probably sitting around a 1-inch sensor. That means sharper shots, better low light, and just cleaner overall video. Rumors suggest Hasselblad might be tuning the colors here. If that's true, expect some gorgeous, natural-looking footage straight out of the camera. Now, the left lens is where things get spicy. Some people are convinced it's a telephoto, which would be amazing. You could finally zoom without that ugly digital crop. Others say it might actually be a depth sensor. If that's the case, then think AR overlays, smart auto framing, or even live virtual object placement. Either way, it's DJI trying something very different. The gimbal itself looks beefier, clearly redesigned to handle 2 sensors instead of 1, which should mean smooth stabilization even with the extra weight. But funnily enough, the controls, they look almost unchanged from the Pocket 3. DJI seems to know that once you've built muscle memory, you don't mess with it. And honestly, that's smart. The screen though could be bigger, brighter, and probably meant to get you tapping away more on the touch interface instead of fiddling with buttons. And here's a little bonus, since the body language is so similar, there's a decent chance some Pocket 3 accessories like grips, mounts, maybe even the creator combo mic might just slot right in. As for the actual specs, nada, not yet. This is literally the very first leak we've seen. But if this early prototype is anything to go by, DJI is lining up something pretty exciting. So yeah, stick around because we'll keep digging and you'll want to be subscribed so you don't miss the next round of leaks. Peace.